Welcome. In front of me is Dell G15, and in this video I will show you how to make your laptop faster. So the first thing that you can do to make your laptop perform better is right-click the battery icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, then go to Power and Sleep settings. Then select Power Mode, and next to the Plugged In option, expand this list and select Best Performance. This way your laptop will work way faster, and you can also change this option next to the On Battery option, but this way your laptop will discharge very quickly, and your laptop without a battery power basically doesn't give you the best performance either way, so it's basically no use in my opinion. Now the other thing is removing apps that slow down your device, and the easiest way to do this is right-click the taskbar, go to the Task Manager, then open the Performance section. Open the Startup section right here, and in the Startup section you'll find a list of apps, and some of them will start up when your PC boots up. As you can see here I have the list of all the essential applications, but if you have some things like game launchers or maybe messengers that you don't necessarily need when you boot up your device, then right-click on such application and click Disable. And this way it won't start up during your PC boot up, which will make your PC boot up way faster and also will make it perform better during your work time on this PC, because this way there will be less apps running in the background. Now to see which applications start up during your PC boot up, you have to check the status column and see which applications are enabled. Okay, now the next thing is optimizing or boosting your performance using Dell Support Assist application. To download Dell Support Assist application, open your web browser and search for Dell Support Assist. Then open the official Dell website. I will translate it for you because it's regional, and just click Download Now here. And once you download the Support Assist installer, click on it and the installation will begin. It's pretty plain and simple. I already have it on my PC, so I'm not gonna do this, but generally you don't have to do anything, simply go along with the setup. And once you download it, open it, and in this application select Boost Performance right here, and then click Start and wait for a while. And as you can see, the Boost Performance has ended, and we can see that 0.15 gigabytes of drive space was recovered and 81 files were optimized. And that also boosts your laptop's performance. And now the next thing that I want to mention is that you should always keep your tabs, keep the tabs that you don't use closed. So I'm gonna show you the example where I open a lot of empty tabs in my browser, and let's see how open empty tabs, even minimized, affect the work of the RAM memory in the first place. So let's right-click the taskbar, open Task Manager, then go into Performance section right here, then select Memory, and as you can see, most of the memory of the RAM memory is affected by the open tabs. If you go to the processes section and sort your applications by memory, you will see that browser with a bunch of empty tabs already takes 1.5 gigabytes of RAM memory, which slows down the system significantly. So all I want to say is that you should always keep your unused browser tabs closed. As you can see, it's already affecting the memory usage, and if we go to the processes section, we'll see that Microsoft Edge right now uses a lot less memory. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.